All right, first we need the AI script for Photoshop. You can buy it from the website. I'll put the link in the description. Click Buy, sign up with Google if needed, and click Buy again. After purchase, click Download to get the file. If you're on macOS, put the downloaded file in the proper folder. Next, go to Replicate, log in with GitHub, go to Profile Settings, Billing, Add Credit, choose Custom, charge $1, then disable Auto Reload. Click API Token, name it, create it, and copy it. Now open Photoshop and a file. Click Scripts and select the script. Paste your API key when prompted. To use it, select an area, open the script, type your prompt, and wait about 10 seconds. Done! The AI applies the edit automatically.
Download today and make your workflow smarter.